how much is a U-Haul? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to discuss how much does it cost to actually rent a U-Haul near your area, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now U-Haul is just one of those popular truck rental services. If you need stuff and a vehicle for moving your stuff and things from one place to another, you can actually rent a U-Haul truck, and to get a proper cost of it, it can actually vary depending upon your pickup and drop off location. If you want to get the exact rates, you can go to uhaul.com, and when you are on the uhaul.com website, you can actually enter the pickup location from where you want your truck to be delivered and the drop off location on where you want to deliver the truck. And now you can tap the pickup date and then tap the get rates option, and after you do that, you will be able to get a fixed rate for how much is it to actually rent a U-Haul, and it could cost anywhere between $19 to $60 to $70 depending upon the days that you want to rent a truck for. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.